0 people.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office for Iris Crum. Iris is a 7-year-old biracial female, 5 feet, 0 inches tall, 80 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Iris was last on March 1st, 2024 in the area of Blue Fox Trail.
Zoom,
in
1.0 times, button,
Tennessee.
adjustable.
Iris is possibly in the company of her non-custodial mother, Kayla Serrata. Serrata is a 30-year-old black female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 140 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Serrata is currently wanted by the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office for custodial interference and the San Diego County Sheriff's Office in California for felony child abduction. If you have seen Iris or Serrata or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office at 615-897-7770 or TBI at 1-800-TBI. Find. In Nashville at 6 p.m. Cloudy. The temperature was 34 degrees.